saying is we're not going to rely on the rope.
Hi, Lucas. Alright, there's an app for that in there. Alright, I think this is about as high as I'm going to go. Good enough for me, right?
So these better not be poisonous.
That's ivy, dude. It's regular ivy.
You don't remember your plant identification, do you?
This is crazy. I'm surprised you're not up there.
You go underneath the X, right?
Look, Macias. Look, Bibi. Look. Look, Lucas. I can't even say those words. Look. Wait. Okay, hold on. Hold it right there. Where's Luke? Oh, there you go. All right. Got it. Okay. You guys are crazy.
Okay, now pull this part all the way up. Don't get it tangled, so you're gonna have to weave it through. Once it gets up there, throw it out to Brother Bartram.
Keep it coming.
We have a good climbing tree at our house.
Yes.
Look at Macias. This is crazy.
Oh, yo, please don't grab that.
They're going to send you to the jungles of Brazil to preach the gospel up there.
Yes.
Lucas! Here, the BB boy's giving you the rope.
Take this, Lucas. Don't let it get tangled. And when you get bring it to the top, throw it out.
It's getting tangled.
Out there.
What?
Throw it. Where do you throw it? Out there. Out there. Oh, that way.